So, we're here for session 2. Kind of been going through something this weekend. You say that you want to use, negative, just any negativity you have. It's always good to use it as fuel, but when you're actually there, guys, it's hard. So, maybe it's TMI, but I'm not really big with the following. My girl just moved out a week ago. It was tough. It was tough times. It's still tough. I don't know. I guess we both just kind of came to the conclusion that it needed to be done. Even if you agree to that, though, it's always gonna suck, So here I am, ready to work again after slacking for the past 2 days, just doing nothing. But we are back to it, and we are gonna make this happen, especially if I want to finally start building my game, right? I have a Switch game that I'm planning on building. That's gonna take long enough, so let me not spend too much time on the spreadsheet. So quick recap, guys, we tried to import the stocks with the end of day historical data API. That didn't work out. Oh wait, no, it did work out, but we did it incorrectly. We only got the symbols in here when we actually wanted all of the tickers. Unfortunately, Copilot didn't save my chat with all the information. So now I have to do a recap on a bunch of shit that took me hours to figure out. But on the bright side, at least, like, I don't know. I just hate having to write this essay every time, bro. Okay. Here we go. Let's just start. That's step 1. So, wait, first let me correct some stuff because I do not want the title to be misleading. Excel. Alright. Here too. Wait 1 second, guys, before I start. Chat, do y'all know how to make the sidebar go away? Because I don't know what happened. It's not giving me that option no more when that's been an option like forever. But they're always changing this shit up, so changes are to be expected, I guess. Alright, whatever. Alright, so again, let's where was I even at last time, bro? I was really relying on that chat. You know what? That's why I stream my stuff. I could just look at where I left off. But first, let me see. Hold on. Yeah, I'm gonna do that, because if I don't have chat, then whatever, right? Give me a second, chat. Kick. So, for those of y'all that might not remember, what we're trying to do is create a spreadsheet, right? That gets all our hourly highs. But to do that, we need to import the stock information, the intraday data, so that we're pulling directly from within our project instead of making a bunch of calls to the API every single time. I guess hypothetically, we would have to continuously update the spreadsheet. But I mean, at the end of the day, we're still going to have 10 plus years of data to pull from, right? So it still works. And if we just get the importing down correctly, it shouldn't be a problem. Okay, what was I doing? Oh yeah, I was looking for my kick stream so we could remember where I left off at. Hold on. What was I doing?
It's not because they fear political.
No, I was mad here. I was definitely mad here. telling you guys, when I tell you how sick I am that it didn't save my chat, 2 hours of asking you questions and you don't save, come on. That's thumbs down on Copilot's part. You guys are better than that. Come on. What did I do to get here? I can't even move my freaking head. My big ass head. Come on. Okay, so what did I do? See, look, I was losing it. When I tell y'all, yo, this stuff pisses me off. It really pisses me off.
A highway.
How to get there? Rated. From table range, and the get and transform data to home tab and click close and load. This will load your
Guys, I
table into a new
fucked up.
worksheet and create.
My head is covering the part I needed for this.
Bro, I'm losing my fucking shit. Like, yo.
Why can I?
Oh, that
Provide
I can. Okay. Go into a new worksheet and create and transform. Once. If it doesn't work, I'm getting off. Then go.
Oh, you know
go
what?
to
Let me
the
change my
data
approach,
tab.
chat. This is like kind of blowing me right now. It's like, you know. Instead, to get myself in the funk, right? I'm gonna explain my setup so that Copilot Pro knows. Again, fuck Gemini Copilot Pro, guys. It's way better. So first, let me explain to it. I'm gonna start a new chat completely. Because the other chat was also being kind of wonky. We got to remember that. So let's see. I am attempting to create an Excel spreadsheet that outputs the hourly highs for every hour with 9:30 as a half hour exception since that's when the stock market opens. Outputs the hourly highs for every hour of every stock that falls under the criteria within the time frame specified and the stock criteria specified. Does that make sense? I don't care. It'll get it. Okay. I have 3 tables. The first table ranges from B4 to what is that? H5, H5, H5 with headers. Oh, whoops. Okay. So I guess I'll tell it it's headers now. The headers are in the order of the table, are in this order. Market cap max, lowest price, max price. I've done this so many times, guys. It better save it this time. Change, max percent change, min pre-market volume, max outstanding shares. And you know what, guys? I'm gonna go ahead and add volume here. But actually, I'll do that later because I already have it set up this way. I'll figure it out. So, and the cells right, it cells on the bottom row of this table are the inputs we give them for the headers. Okay. The second table ranges from B8. Okay, and by the way, guys, the reason I'm saying B8 to B10, or I'm about to say B8 to C9 is because for example, look at here. I'm not including time frame in the header because that's not actually data. That's just more like an aesthetic thing for me, right? But right here, yeah, this is the actual header, year start, year end. I don't know why these texts, it's not letting me make it black and it's driving me crazy. Oh, see, y'all see that? Why? Why is it doing that? It's driving me insane. I hate it. I don't know why it's doing that. Whatever. Yeah, I don't know. Whatever. That's besides the point. I'll get back to that later. That's easy. That's easy. I don't need to worry about that. Anyways, yeah. The header, the bottom row is the values that we inputted. Okay. So the second table ranges from B8 to C9. By the way, guys, when I'm finally done finishing this, I will make like a compilation of all the parts that were important to make like a good tutorial on how to do it. Um, because again, we're being charged what, like two, 300 to learn how to do this, and we could just figure it. Like, I don't know, bro. We can. If you're a successful trader, why the hell you need to sell courses? Like, do something else with that money, bro. I don't know. I'm gonna figure that out. But what's it called? I don't know. I mean, not okay. Hold on. Not to hate on him, because I do. He is very helpful. He responds to everything. The specific trader that made this table, I'm trying to recreate in my own way. He's fire, but yeah, I don't know, bro. Charging multiple hundreds for this, like, I mean, it isn't. Okay, you have all the right, but still, man, let's just, empower one another, So, you know what I mean? Anyways, the second table ranges from B8 to C9. The C9 and has headers. The headers are as follows. Um, the headers are as follows. Year start. Wait, did I name it? The first table
Wix is your
scanner
platform to
ranges
perform
from the
on.
second table.
A complete
Time
portfolio
frame
solution means you can tell your
ranges
unique
from
story with confidence. From choosing a name and design that fits your vision,
year
to
start,
bringing your
year
projects to
end,
life.
with the bottom
Custom themes
row
and
two
layouts.
cells being
Fine
the
tunable
inputs
details
we'd
and tons of
give
animation
the
options. Deliver
corresponding
an immersive
header.
experience. Spend less time on admin with
Which
live
cells being the
chat,
inputs we'd
forms,
give
a detailed contact database, and one go-to inbox for all your messages. All
for
while a
the
powerful
corresponding
SEO
header.
toolkit lays the groundwork to maximize your
Lastly,
reach. The platform is
the
built for evolution,
third
from a
table
community building
is.
blog to a
I gotta remember
streamlined booking
to sign up
solution.
for YouTube
Or
Premium. My bad, guys. I don't want to talk over that. Remind me when that happens. Something about this kind of music to do work, right? It makes life not feel so bad. We're all gonna make it. We're all gonna do good. That is step one. Step one, right? You gotta be self-aware. You gotta understand your flaws. You can't just be like trying to go out and do the superficial shit to attain a good feeling. No, that's not gonna last you guys. If you do things that you're truly proud of, whether it be a company like this, right? Like I'm trying to, well, this is an actual company. I have some that I plan to make and I start after this fucking Excel sheet. But again, guys, as long as you're chasing things you're proud of instead, there's they're synonymous, right? Happiness and proudness are synonymous. You're gonna be happy with your achievement and it's gonna last you. As opposed to if I go out to party with my friends, right? If all is good in life, that's fine, bro. Go ahead and have fun. But if you're looking for that to get out of whatever hole you're in, whatever bad place you're in, it's not gonna last you, bro. It'll only last you at least like at most the night that you're in, maybe the next morning if you and your friends link up again, I guess. I don't know. But you're gonna go home and you're not gonna feel good and it's gonna be a slower process and hey, I highly doubt there's women watching this. I highly do. So to all the dudes that are, and I know women will watch this. Don't get me wrong, but I mean, most of these stock guys like we're men, guys. speaking to you men in particular, it's hard being a guy, bro. I don't want to hear it from y'all women. Like, we have our own experiences. Y'all have it hard, but we do too in our own ways, right? And the ones that are like down bad and having a hard time, I don't know, bro. Gotta get to it. Gotta work on yourself. It's just that's just how it is, bro. That's just how society sees things. It sucks, but it is what it is, man. It's life. We can't. It's just it is, man. You're competing with a lot of other men that get to it, and that's who they're looked at, bro. That's who people like pay attention to. Like, if a girl's pretty, hey, welcome to the function. If you're some random loser, ugly dude, we don't really need you here, bro. You're awkward. You're weird. The ladies don't even want you. Like, what's going on? Like, it sucks, guys. It sucks. I just say that because I was in a place where I'd wake up consistently all the time and like be upset with myself, and it would feel like repeat. I don't know what's going on in my life. The way I think wasn't attractive to not only women but like men, like in a friendship way. And it's only until you become self-aware and realize, hey man, I'm kind of a fucking tool. That's when you can finally start working on yourself. Don't be a whiny little bitch, guys. Get to work, right? On things you're proud of. It doesn't have to be monetary. Whatever you love, get to work, so that you're in a state where you're proud of it, and bam. But personally, guys, when I say get to work, I also do think, I have a bias for this kind of work. Programming, engineering, building, doctors, that type of stuff is it's a different type of, you still get all the things that you want in life as long as you take care of the other aspects of your life too. You just don't get the fame that I guess like rappers and them do. But if you're telling me that a doctor isn't pulling all the joints at his workplace, like if he's good looking at least, right? If you're telling me like an engineer isn't having a good life, like dating, like, because I know a lot of you dudes, that's what gets you up at night, right? Is woman. You got it all wrong, bro. You don't need to be famous and a rapper and clouded in every part of whatever to, like, you know what I mean? There's regular dudes out there that also have a hard time making time for women. Like, it's not just the famous dudes. So a lot of you guys, I know low key, that's a motivator, right? Oh, bitches, they're gonna love me. Oh, gonna fuck all these bitches. And then you fucking nut so much your dick hurts. Your dick starts to hurt every time. It can happen without the rapper shit, without the actor shit, without the fame. It can happen, guys. All right, that's enough of my tangent. I'm yapping too much. Let's get back to work. Anyways, what I was doing is I was describing the table. Oh man, this is work session 2, bro. This is what I'm gonna look back on. Whatever, man. Too much yapping. Lastly, the third table. The third table, highs of every hour, 9:30 a.m. to 4 o'clock p.m. ranges from, what is that, E8 to K9. The header and has headers as well. The headers are as follows. Damn, I look fucked up. Bro, I look like I'm going through a breakup, huh? Damn, bro. That's just life, man. That's crazy. Really out here on my own in Indiana for a fucking job, guys. I don't know no one out here. Y'all think it's live in Indiana, bro? And going through a breakup and the crib is empty? Oh my gosh, man. It sucks right now. I'm not complaining because I know I'm gonna push through it, but I'm just saying, bro, like, hey, it is what it is. Lastly, the third table, highs of every hour, 9:30 a.m. to 4 o'clock p.m. ranges from E8 to K9 and has headers as well. The headers are as follows. 9:30, meaning 9:30 to 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, let's see, 12, 1, 2, 3, representing all the hours with 9:30 being the only half-hour exception, representing all the hours that the stock market is open. Each of these headers will get their own median based on all intraday data we retrieve from the tickers that fall under our scanner tables criteria from the tickers that fall under our scanner tables criteria based on all intraday within the given time frame specified in the time frame criteria. Okay. These headers will get their own median. The median will be automatically outputted based on the other tables criteria to the bottom row. E9 to K9 for their corresponding header, the cell right above them. Okay, that's good. Please confirm that you understand my setup. Ask questions for clarification if needed. All right, there you go. All right, first message. We've established I can go back to this and copy it now if this would ever happen. Like, if I ever had to start a new chat. Hope, knock on wood, it doesn't. Okay. By the way, guys, hey, give me a follow, guys. Come on. I'm a hardworking, I'm a working class man. I'm a software developer, guys. I have a job. Y'all should support me. Okay. I understand your setup. You have 3 tables in your Excel spreadsheet scanner. Okay. I guess it understands it. Oh, what the hell? Okay, great. The specific spreadsheet I have just described to you is on the screener tab. I have multiple tabs within my Excel spreadsheet. The next tab I'm going to go over is the okay, the next tab I'm going to go over is the what's it called? Stocks spreadsheet tab. Let me put the quotes around it. Oh my gosh, okay. This tab has a CSV file imported via the, what was it, the data tab? Yeah, the data tab, okay. Give me a call. Oh, 1 second, guys. All right, chat. I'm back. Hey, guy. Hey, chat. Can I can I ask y'all something? Who do y'all got on the Derek Lewis fight tonight? I'm putting 50 on Derek Lewis, but like low key, I saw the other man's. What's his name? I don't even know his name. I forgot it. He was 11-1 though, and like this stuff's unpredictable. I might do a lotto. I might do winner by points on him. I might just do one just to see, right? What y'all think? Nobody. All right, that's cool. All right, let's get back to it. Yeah, I'm not buying vapes after that one, guys. That's the last one. And I mean that because I didn't buy it, my girlfriend did, or my ex did. Anyways, great. The specific spreadsheet I just described to you is the screener tab. I have multiple tabs within my Excel spreadsheet. The next tab I'm going to go over is a stock spreadsheet tab. This tab has a CSV file imported via the data tab from CSV. What was it? From CSV. Oh, from text slash CSV. The table ranges from A1 to, and I'm explaining everything I did, guys, to K7155. So this is a good way for you to understand like what's going on, right? The table ranges from A1 to K7155 and contains all the stocks within, what was it? It was Amex, NYSE, and NASDAQ. The table with header and contains all stocks within the Amex, NYSE, NASDAQ. Okay. The headers are as follows: symbol, name, last sale, net change, percent change, market cap, country, IPO, year, volume, sector, industry. I have provided this information for potential use. It may not actually be necessary, but I would still like you to understand that it's there. Please confirm with me that you understand this as well. Alright, that's the second one. We've explained this spreadsheet now, so we can move on to our intraday data spreadsheet. Okay. Now I gotta remember, what the hell did it want me to do here? This is my base URL. I do remember that. And then we got my API key, which I will not be switching until I successfully create this. Then I'll change it so you guys can't copy. And I'm not clouded enough for me to really think that anyone is about to do this right now as I'm doing it. So whatever. Anyways, let's go. What was I gonna say? So that's my base URL. That's my API key or API token or whatever. And then we got that, and over here we concatenated all of them. Concatenating, just a fancy word for putting words together. And then here I have web service E2, but we couldn't use that because it only reads XML files, not CSV files. That's where we were at. So we had to, what did we have to do? We had to from table range. Is that it? I just want to see what. Nope, that's not it. Oh my gosh, I gotta get YouTube Premium, guys. My bad. Raising connections. No, that's not what I wanted. Where was I at? Equals. Okay, whatever. Whatever. Let's just get in. I'm just gonna tell it what I need to do and let's see if it gives me another way to do it. I don't care. Maybe this wasn't even the right way. The next tab I have is called intraday data. Okay, it's called intraday data. This tab in my project is what I intend to make the holder of our API data. The API I'm using is end of day HD. This I have the version that allows you to get intraday data, hourly data. All right, let me explain it. In cell A1, I'm gonna just tell it what I have in each cell because I feel like I have my base URL. Control C. In B2, I have my token. First, yeah, I'm explaining the setup, right? In C1, oh, this is B1, not B2. In C1, I have API token equals. In D1, I have and equals on H. Then in E2 I have the concat. And in F. What the hell, bro? I don't want that. I tried. I tried. That the web service function didn't work because it's only for reading XML files. The HD API we're using is a CSV link, I believe. Bro, I hate when it does this. Stop doing that. What we did is we took our symbols from the stocks spreadsheet tab and put every single one in column A, ranging from from A2 to, and then what was the bottom one? What was the bottom one? O2 to Z1 to A7156 with a header. With a header. Okay. The reason we're doing it this way instead of calling our API every time is because we are trying to achieve quick and dynamic interactions. We don't want to wait 10 minutes for the API to go through potentially thousands of stocks, and that many API calls would also become costly. We are attempting to preload all the data from all the intraday data for everything ENDHC has available. We are attempting to preload all the intraday data for everything within this intraday data tab. This is where I need your assistance. I'm not sure how
Right
to
now,
do
save
that
$50 on select AK System battery tool sets. Real steel.
We tried creating a query for column G for every symbol. However, it only put out the symbols. I need all information that we need in our scanner table from the screener tab. We need to be available in this tab. The same goes for our time frame table in our screen tab. Okay, I think we explained it correctly, pretty well. Please explain to me how we could do this. Remember, my goal is to have the highs of every hour table display the median for every hour with the 9:30 exception. The stock market is open across every day within the time frame specified in the time frame. Okay. It will be outputted how I have already described in the cells corresponding to the time. Thank you. Please give me step-by-step instructions on where to go from here. Alright guys, the reason we're being so specific is because you gotta remember it's a robot, it's a machine, it doesn't just put two and two together, right? We need to be super specific. So, oh man, I really want to take a break, bro. Just explaining the setup, but at the same time, because it's a new fresh chat and we really only give it 3 simple messages, it'll probably do a better job, because the last chat we were going off of, we talked for like 2 hours and it just started giving us this. So it's like the data has within the chat, it just gets scrambled and mixed up. You got to remember, guys, these are just machines. It's not like some magic thing that knows exactly what you're talking about. They go off the information you give it as specifically as you give it. But when you learn how to use this thing, like when you really learn how to explain it things in a way it really understands, it just does such a good job, guys. I've made full applications just using this, and it teaches you, bro. The more you do it, the more you learn.
We might not have a couch yet.
I understand your setup
We
and goal
got
you're trying to achieve. Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can achieve, how you can proceed.
Smooth.
Give me a second, guys. Alright. Anyways. I understand. Okay, you've correctly set up the API call and cell E2 using the concatenate function. However, as you've noticed, the web server function in Excel is not suitable for CSV data. Instead, you can use Power Query to import CSV data from a URL. Here's how you can set up Power Query to import CSV data. Go to the Data tab in Excel. Click on Get Data. That's what we did. And then we went to Combine Queries Append. Let me see though. From other sources from web. Okay. I remember that too. I forgot though. Okay. In the URL box, you can reference your cell E2 that contains the API URL. By typing equals intraday data E2 in the URL box. Okay, I don't remember that. URL is invalid. Alright, let me tell it that. Let's go through. Okay, I'm gonna say great. Be polite to your AI, it does a better job. Great. I will go through. Let's go over the part I'm stuck at. In the URL box, I have written equals intraday data E2. Okay. However, there's explanation that says the URL is invalid. Should I just write the full text on my own? Also, I thought it would be worth mentioning in the EODHE website. I have this link available. Alright guys, what I'm doing right now is I am about to show it that what's it called? Hold on, give me a second guys. Yeah, I'm trying to show it my CSV file that I have available. Or my CSV link. It's a different link. Yeah, see, right here. See. I have this link available when I go to intraday data. It specifically says to get intraday historical stock price data, use the following URL, then gives the URL I just provided you. The thing is, I need to do this, but for every single stock in the Amex, NYSE, Nasdaq that I mentioned. I'm adding
What if you could
this
do
for
SEO
more
smarter
context
and
so
faster?
that we may
With Wix,
do
you can
this
edit your meta tags page by
the
page
best,
or all in one go.
most efficient
Modify your
way.
URLs, inspect all of them in one
Thank
click,
you.
and more. Save
Thank
time,
you.
customize freely with SEO
Okay.
on Wix.
This is going smooth. I like how this chat is feeling. It's feeling like, you know, it's understanding me.
They're
It's
even
not too
hiring
confused.
freelance tax experts on Fiverr.
Yeah, it probably works better than how we do our tax.
Okay. Unfortunately, Excel's Power Query doesn't support dynamic URLs directly from solid references. However, there's a workaround using Power Query M language to create a custom function that accepts the stock symbol as a parameter and constructs a URL for the API call. Here's a step-by-step guide. Create a custom. Okay, I guess we're starting over. Go to data. We're in the data tab already. Get data. Blank query. Where is blank query? I don't see blank query. Do y'all see? Let me ask you this. Actually, no. This looks right, see? So symbolize text as table. Okay, see, and then we're passing the symbol. Okay, that's good. What is this? Is this Java? That's not JavaScript. Whatever, I don't know. Excel code. That's Excel code, that's what it is. Okay. Get data, blank query. I don't see blank query, bro. Oh, blank query from other sources. Blank query. Nice. Okay. And the power. Let me delete all these shits, cause what the hell, bro? Delete. Yeah, I was screaming last time. This was so frustrating. I could not figure this out. Delete. But now I'm convinced that the chat was also confused. Okay, hold on. What just happened? Delete. Alright, I gotta delete all this now. It's getting messy. Yuck. Delete. I'm not gonna use this, but I'll keep it in case I do. I don't think I will, but we don't know. We never know how far this project's gonna get. Maybe I'll work on this. Maybe I'll like it more and I want to add more complex things we could try out. The thing I was thinking of doing, chat, is going through multiple years, like summer, winter. That's the 4 seasons. You know what I'm saying? Because, like, don't get me wrong. I understand there's sector rotation and a bunch of whatever, hubba jubba, whatever. Well, that's all cool to know, and you know, just looking at indexes to see how things are doing and stuff like that. I think I'd like to, you know, just see how stocks perform throughout seasons and how they have been throughout the past, you know, couple years. And if we can do that and look at the graph to see, we can really know when to play bearish, when to play bullish. And you know, if you're like me and you have your strategies tweaked, you're just at the door. You just need a bit of refining, you know, a sprinkle on top. If you're like me, then that could be insanely helpful, actually. Because my problem is knowing when to change my strategy. I'll blow up my stuff before I switch up when after being on like a 2-3 week streak. You know what I'm saying? I gotta find out when it's most common for the fluctuations and stuff. So, all right, side tangent done. Let's get back to it. Anyways, I'm gonna delete that. I'm just gonna redo it. Delete. Okay. So, data. I want to delete all this stuff too. High key. Clear contents. Yes, sir. Let's go. That's good. All right. So, get data from
I use
other
Febreze fabric
sources.
refresher every day to make my home smell amazing. On my bed, my couch, my jacket or
Get
jeans,
data.
in between washes, even shoes. Febreze doesn't cover
Get
odors with scent, but fights them
data
and
from other
freshens. Over
sources.
1,000
Blank
uses.
query.
Febreze
Skip.
fabric
Skip.
refresher.
Add. Bad ad.
Old
Bad ad.
Spice Putty.
Bad.
by Hose.
La 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 la. All right, we're good. All right, so in query, I guess y'all don't need to see this anymore. In query, advanced editor. The advanced editor, you can define a new function that takes a symbol and returns the data. Here's an example how you can define this. Click done. Now you have a custom function get intraday data that you can use to retrieve the data. Okay. Oh, yo! Why didn't the last chat explain this, bro? This is so good. Whoa. Okay. Yo, Excel's they actually go hard for that. Excel goes hard for that. Shout out them. Done. I'm gonna call this one. What did it want me to call it? Get intraday data. Nice. Okay. Step 2. Use the custom function for each symbol. Go to your stock spreadsheet tab. Keep. Yes, that's so good. Go to your stock spreadsheet tab. Okay. Select the column with the stock symbols. Go to okay. Wait, what? Hold on. I'll ask that after. Let me read all the steps first. Okay. Select the column, go to the data tab and click on get data from other sources. Blank query. I need food, guys. Oh my gosh, blank query. Okay. In the Power Query windows, click on Advanced Editor. You can invoke the get intraday data function for each symbol in your selected column. Here's an example. Symbols equal Excel current workbook, stock spreadsheet, content, symbol. I do need to select the header. I do. Okay. Interesting. Alright, now let's try again. Get data from other sources. Advanced editor. Get intraday, okay. Now we do again, paste, done. Okay. When I used your function and saved, I got an error. We couldn't find an Excel table named stocks spreadsheet. Details, stocks spreadsheet. Allow me to clarify once more. Stocks spreadsheet is the tab, not the table. Okay, yeah, that's not good. Let me see. What is this table's name? There's a way to see the table's name. I just gotta remember. Insert. What's this table's name? Where is it, yo? Yo, chat, how do I see the table's name? Let me see if it does it when I highlight everything. It doesn't have it. Wow, it doesn't have it, yo. Whatever. Search is not the is the tab, not the table. Column A has the header symbol, by the way, and the actual table ranges from A1 to K7155. How can we redo this? I can't find the table's name either. There's an ice cream truck. I want ice cream. Let's see what's popping. Oh, it's done. Okay. The Excel work and the Power queries use tax Excel table, not the entire worksheet. If your data that is not table, we need to convert it to a table so you can do a conversion rate. Okay, let's do it. Insert. Okay, insert tab and click on table. It's not letting me. Stock data. I like that. That's fine. Stock data. Press enter. Okay. Let's go back then. All right, we did that. Well, we did get intraday data. This is our get intraday data function, and then we go to tab A, file, not file, data, get data from other sources, blank query, advanced editor. Where the hell is advanced editor? Advanced editor. New function. Control V to paste. Done. Why did I named it stock data, huh? Stocks data. Now let's do it. From get data from other sources, blank query. Okay, advanced editor. Now, done. It did, and it no longer shows that error. Thank you. However, there is another one now. Expression error. We cannot convert a value of type list to type table. Details. Value equals list. Type equals type. How do we fix this? The error message you're seeing typically occurs when Power Query is expecting a table but receiving a list instead. This might be due to the structure of the data returned by the API. In the custom function get intraday, we're using table. Oh, we're getting a little sloppy now. When the chat starts talking like this, we start getting into a bit of a little cycle of frustration. In the custom function get intraday data, we're using which expects data to be a list of records where each row is a row of data. Yeah, it is. Which expects data to be a list of records. If the API is returning in a different format, this could be causing the error. Here's a modified version of the function that checks that data is a list of records before trying to convert it to a table. Okay. In this version, value is data, title is text, that is a list, and list. So replace the previous. Okay. Let's see. Done. Delete. Now let's try it again. Advanced editor. Now we
Disaster duo. That sucks. Fleas and ticks suck too. Seresto can help with this one. The #1 vet recommended flea and tick collar for 8 continuous months. Stop sucking with Seresto.
Get data from other sources. Blank query. Advanced editor. Oh no. Out of here. Delete. Advanced editor. Keep. Again, get data. Sources, blank query. Oh, It's a query I was working on. Sorry for that. Okay, done. It's still doing that, bro. Did I use a new one? It's not working still? Let's see. Hold up, because I don't want this. Get data from other sources. Alright guys, so what I'm trying to do now is just trying to see. Did we actually update it? We did. See? It doesn't change it. This card changes. I'm gonna delete this. We're gonna go here, advanced editor. Even with your fix, I'm still getting the same error. Remember, I only highlighted column A with the symbol, header included when doing this. This is just for additional context in case that's what the problem. Alright. We use the structure of the data table that from records of US return data different forms could be called error. To understand the structure of the data returned by the API, you could try importing the data from one of the API URLs directly. So using this we distribute data to come out of other custom functions to handle different types of data. For example, the API returning a list of lists which generate a list representative. There you come off of the function converts to a table. Is used instead of data. Okay, let's try that out. Let's see. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Now let's try with the edits. Alright, let me redo that. Blank query. structure from EONDHC the way you suggested. How do we do this so that you can figure out what to use? Here's a link that may help, hopefully. Okay, I'm gonna just give it the link. I'm not gonna study my solution until I'm sure it works, guys, to be completely honest. 1 minute.
Right now, save $50 on the FSA 57 battery trimmer set. Real steel.
Which is common structure for tabular data. You should be able to convert power query using it. Not working is just the API might be between data and infrastructure. Understand these are certain data. You can try and put in the data from API URL directly into a programming environment that can handle JSON data, Python, JavaScript, and inspect the structure of the data. Alternatively, there are online tools that can format and visualize JSON data, which help you understand the structure of the data. Once you know the structure of the data, you can modify the power query. Damn. What the heck? With the correct data query. Thanks. Like, bro, I don't want to do all that. Like, what are you talking about? Inspect the data structure. First, you need to understand the structure of the data. Return the API. You can do this by making a request in a web browser and inspecting the return this URL. Okay. Why didn't you just say that? Gotta get things all complicated and whatnot. It just returns it. It literally returns it in JSON format. Does this help? How do we do this? Dang, it literally shows it for every day. That's crazy. Okay, thank you. Why did I have... This is a smart little... Like, this is smart technology we have here, guys. Oh, why did I do that? Okay, let's see, guys. Advanced editor. There we go. Do you work yet? Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. Yeah, this is crazy. It doesn't make sense. Oh, okay. So it's saying that it's because some of the tables are empty. That's what it's saying. Which makes sense. That makes sense. So we're gonna put an exception, some exception stuff in there. Done. Okay.
This is Joy, coming to you live in Riley's mind. Make some noise! Our girl's growing up so fast, and things couldn't be better. Ow. Sorry. Hello? I'm anxiety. Where can I put my
This
stuff?
is
What's your name,
function
big
I'm
fella?
getting.
That's embarrassment. Welcome to headquarters, embarrassment.
I'm using.
Oh, we're doing a fit. No. Oh, nope. Going high. Oh.
Disney and Pixar's Inside Out
Get
2. This film is not yet rated.
intraday data. And this is what I'm using. In my other query. I guess that's all it. I'm still getting the same error. This is annoying, guys. We've hit our first headache. It was all smooth, but 1 hour in, it's up. Error encounters lately due to the structure of the data returned to the API. The function table dot from records expects a list of records, where each record represents a row of data. If the API is returning data in a different format, this could be because they are to better understand. Loading from one of the API URLs directly into Excel using the data, get data from web. You can modify the custom function to handle different types of data. For example, if API is returning a list of lists where each inner list represents a row of data, you can modify the function to convert this to a table. Yo, if this don't work, yeah, we're doing the other one. Alright, advanced editor. Paste. Still nothing. That's it. Yep, we're doing the other way. Keep. That didn't work. Let's do your other method. Let's try and import the... Wait, what was it? What do you suggest? The link from web. What link do I use for this? The concatenated one I provided you, or the Apple
Mine
example
becomes ours
one
among good friends.
in the link
Nutella
I
biscuits.
sent?
The crunchy
Alright.
golden baked biscuit with a creamy heart of
Yeah,
Nutella. A delicious
I'm
combination
about ready
that
to
just
get
has
past
to
this
be
step,
shared.
guys. It's been like
We might not have a couch yet.
not that long, but
We
long
got it.
enough. Okay, you can start with the Apple example.
Don't tell Mom.
Okay.
Smooth.
Your new home deserves Xfinity Internet.
So
Get
go
a
to
fast, reliable
data,
connection
get
for all your
data
devices.
from other
Move with
sources, from
Xfinity.
web. Where's the web? From web. Paste the link for my API. Click OK. Okay, so where's you? No, okay. Connect, I guess. I don't know. It's establishing a connection. Okay. Huh? Okay, alright. That's editor. I did it. This is the query it had attached. Give it a query, and now we explain the way it looks in my window is there's only one column with the header list. Then under it is row 1 with the value record. It then goes all the way down to however far back it goes. Hold on, let me see. Can I open the record? when I double click record, it opens up the records, the kind of in the same way it looks in JSON. Timestamp, GMT offset, date, time, open, high, low, close, volume being on the left, and their values on the right. Is this enough information for you so that we could fix everything? Thank you. Be nice to your AI. It does a better job, guys. Be nice to your AI. If this doesn't work, or if it does work, I'm gonna put a bookmark there. I'll probably play like Fail Army for y'all and go take a break and eat something, and then come back in like 10 to 15 minutes, because I might need that. It's clear now that the API returns a list of records where each record represents a row data with fields such as timestamp data. Given this strategy, you should be able to convert the list of records to a table in Power Query using the table.fromRecords function. However, the error message you're seeing suggests the Power Query is receiving a list instead of a table. This could be due to the way JSON is parsed. Modern voice explicitly converts JSON data to a table. And here's how you can use the function to get intraday data for each symbol. Wait, what? So these are my two new functions, correct? I should scrap the other ones and almost just treat it like starting over. If it says yes, that's correct. All right, bet. They're the same thing. Okay, cool. Bet. Discord. Let's try it again. Delete. Actually, I'll leave you there for now. Maybe the first one. Probably not, but whatever. We'll take it out later. Get data from other sources. Blank query. Advanced editor. New function. Done. Get intraday data. Advanced editor. Updated function. Done. What the fuck, bro? Delete. I'm gonna just do this. Keep. Let's try that second one now. From other sources. Blank query. Advanced editor. Paste. Done. This is crazy. It's a type table. Alright, I'm gonna do something I don't like doing, but it is what it is. Let's see what people say. You know what? I don't even want to read it. I'm gonna tell Copilot to read it. It's still giving the same error. Here's a link that could help figure the problem. And I'm gonna read it while Copilot reads it. Yuck. Error you're encountering is likely due to the structure of the data. It seems that the issue might be related to the way Power Query is trying to convert the data and the user. Okay, some error the solution in that case is used to convert the use the table is expanded. Okay. What is this though? Power Query is its own language, I guess. I'm not ready for my break yet, guys. I actually care about this, so I'm gonna take my time with it. Hold on. Advanced editor. I'm not bored just yet. Done. Alright, we did that. Advanced editor. What was that new one? Is this one right? Yeah, it was this one. Done. Still not working. I updated it and this query still is getting the same expression error. Let's see if we can find something else. Convert JSON list to table on record is a list. It sounds like it could help. Yeah, it is. It's good. Good thumbs up. Maybe this link will be more helpful. Provide me with both updated queries, please. Okay, guys. I apologize for the confusion. The error you're encountering is likely due to the structure of the data returned by the API record. By the API, the function table.from records expects a list of records where each record represents a row of data. Yeah. Your data in a format based on the stack overflow. It seems that the issue might be related to the way Power Query is for the data and the stack overflow. So the user was trying to import an Excel file into Power Query and encountered a similar issue. The solution in that case was to use table.from list function to convert the list to a table and then use the table as conversion.
Days seem sometimes as if they'll never end. Sun takes its heels to taunt you, but after sunlit days, one thing stays the same. Rises the moon. Days fade into a watercolor blur. Memories swim and haunt you, but look into the lake, shimmering like smoke. Rises the moon. Oh, close your weary eyes. I promise you that soon the autumn comes to darken fading summer skies. Breathe, breathe, breathe.
Come on, Chuck. Finish your answer. What?
Days pull you down just like a sinking ship. Floating is getting harder.
Repeat. Oh, I misspelled
Attract the
repeat.
water child and know that meanwhile rises the moon. Days pull you up just like a daffodil, uprooted from its garden. They'll tell you what you owe, but no, even so, rises the moon. You'll be visited by sleep. I promise you that soon the autumn comes to steal away each dream you keep. Breathe, breathe, breathe.
You need to listen to instruction for data return by units. I already did that. I've already explained to you. Guys, I've already explained to you the setup. The records comes out like JSON when I double click. It's all within one column. Should I deselect? Should I not select the header in Stock's spreadsheet when I do this? Should I start from A2 instead? Could that be causing a problem? Like, that's all I can think about, bro. Oh my gosh. Is that it? Sometimes it's stuff like that, man. Let symbols equal. Alright, let's see if that works, because this is tweaking. So let's do everything row A. Oh, it's because I was selecting the link. Bro, that makes a lot of sense. I apologize. Remember, the base link is in A1. It all actually starts on A3 since the header is in A2. That's my mistake. Can you please rewrite your answer with this in mind? There. Let's go. I think that was it. The updated functions. Thank you. Let's go. Alright. From A3. Get data. From data. Wait, what was it? From. What did I do from other sources? Blank query. Copy. Advanced editor. Done. Edit.
Right now, get a free battery with the purchase of select professional steel tools.
Done.
Real steel.
What? Okay, but that means it did it for A and AA. Now, okay, so we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. The 2 rows before it, so I believe that shows progress. Thank you. Explanation, thank you. I was the one being the issue here. It was me. Damn. Could be because the function is returning all possibilities for this tutorial. You can modify the get intraday function to return an empty table instead of no. Okay. Nice. Oh, that means I should make a mental note that later I'm gonna need to like explain to the and that I get what we're doing. We're making a bunch of power query, like each row in the highs of every hour thing is gonna have a power query to pull from. Okay, I don't fully know, but I understand now. It's clicking. All right. Yeah. The error message you're seeing suggests that the power query is trying to convert AC, which is some blah, blah, blah. To handle this, you can modify it to return an empty table instead of null when it can't convert the data table. Here's how you can do it. Okay. So let's do that. Advanced editor. Paste. Done. About now. Done. Okay, I'll delete it. Delete.
If you're taking a trip with your friends, why pay for 4 hotel rooms to stay apart from your friends?
Now let's try again. Get
Get an
data.
Airbnb and stay together for less.
The source is blank query. Hold up, guys. Give me 1 second. Advanced editor. Dang, okay. Unfortunately, this didn't fix the issue. It's still stuck on AACG. Could it be the second function, maybe? See, my thing is, guys, I just don't want to have to like manually output. I just want to keep going. I want to output to see what the structure and stuff is. Just that the get intraday function is returning value that cannot be added to the table. This could be because the function returning null for some symbols, possibly because the API request for symbols for the this week and off like entry. Return instead of null. We can't really use it. We can do it. Didn't I just do that, guys? I mean, unless he wrote it different. Table from records. List then. If data null and value ls. It's the same thing. Okay, this is upsetting me a little bit, a teeny weeny bit. Oh, wait, look. It did change it. Okay. Enter the data, paste, done. Query, advanced editor, done. Oh, It still didn't work. Just create an empty table. Key.
At Target, discover Mother's Day deals for the one who would give you anything. It's the little things like favorite day chocolates for $4 or vibrant tulips to brighten her day, or save on everything she loves to wear with 20% off dresses, jewelry, and more. Your turn to give her everything. Now that's Target.
Yeah, the updated code is what I'll say. Other sources, blank query. Seems like there might be an issue with the way data is being parsed and transformed into Power Query. Let's try a different voice. So trying to convert JSON data to a table to get intraday. Okay, I'll just try it, I guess. Let's delete this. Discard all the changes. That was all straight booty. Seems like there might be an issue with the way Okay. This query will load the intraday data for check the loaded data. Okay. It did load. Okay. Is there any errors? It's loading it exactly how we expected with the header row and then the values right under. The columns for GMT offset, open, high, low, close, have lots of nulls. For open, high, lots of channels. GMT offset has lots of zeros. And then volume is literally blank without even null. I hope this helps with figuring this out. Please provide me with your solution. Thank you. Okay, that's interesting. That's interesting. Oh.
Grow your customer base. Expand into more channels. See how PayPal can help you grow.
Close. Volume. Have lots. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna say this. Also, here's an example of the timestamp format. And here's an example of the date time format. Additional context doesn't. Thank you. Thank you. Be nice to your AI, guys. Thank you. It's helpful to know that the data is loading as expected for a single stock symbol and that the timestamp and datetime formats are as expected. Given this, a single location may be related to how the getting to the functions being applied to each symbol in your stock data table. Specifically, the function might be returned. To handle this, you can modify the function to return an empty record instead of null when it can't retrieve the data or record. Here's how you can do it. Okay, so please provide me with a step-by-step on what to do. I'm gonna delete every query and start over. Provide me with a step-by-step, including what to have selected, which cells before making queries. Be specific and clear. Thank you. Thank you. Let's go.
Make it cold.
With AC Pro, anyone can recharge their car's AC. Like a pro.
Click on queries and connections.
With AC Pro.
There's a point at the end of a project when you realize, but what in the world do I want in here?
Right click on each query in the list and select.
DIY also means
delete. Oh, okay, we do that. Create the get intraday function.
Furniture, decor, and free delivery
get data. Get.
HomeDepot.com.
Then I go to blank query. In the power window, click advanced editor. Place it with this code. Okay. Done. I'm gonna rename it to get intraday data. In the query settings pane on the right, rename the query to get intraday and click close and load. Only create connection. Oh, okay. I didn't read that last time. Okay. And click close and load. Wait. Close and load to. Alright, let me start over. Delete. Keep. Get data. Blank query. Alright guys, wait, let's do it. Sorry, I needed that. That's you know what, guys? After this attempt, yeah, I'm definitely gonna go. What's up, bro? Kriku Paz, shout out Kriku Paz. We got our boy from Steam, the forbidden stream network for whatever reason. Everyone keeps telling me that it's not. I don't know why. I don't know why people hate on Kick. Something about like a prostitute on the stream or something. I don't know. My bad, Kriku Pazzo. I was a little in my zone. Okay. Get intraday, stock symbol. That's what I was doing. Paste. Done. Then it wanted me to go to get intraday data. Day data. All right. By the way, guys, when I'm done with this, free access. Don't forget that. So if you don't want to miss that, you should definitely hit the follow so that you see when I have that available. This API is $30 a month. I know it's not that much, but some of you guys might not want to pay that. Let me pay for you. All I ask is for a follow. Anyways, we did that, and then it wanted me to go close and load too. But why is this grayed out? I don't get that. Only create connection. Whatever. Create the main query in your stock spreadsheet tab. Oh. Please rewrite this. I'm actually selecting from A2 to A7155. Oh, whoops. A7155. A3, the A3 issue was for the intraday data tab. Also, when I go to close and load, the close and load to option is grayed out. Please rewrite your instructions. Thank you. Who y'all got on the fight tonight, chat? Derek Lewis or the other guy? I don't know his other name. I put 50 on Derek Lewis though. So let's see how that does. We're traders. I know y'all like to gamble. Y'all ain't fooling me. I apologize for the confusion. Here's the correct step-by-step guide. Delete all existing queries. Go to the data. By the way, guys, we have a couple of y'all just came in. All I'm trying to do is create a table that gives hourly highs for every high of the day. Right after this attempt, I'll go to the window real quick. I just want you guys to take a look, making it available for free when I'm done with it. I'm just trying to recreate something I saw a successful trader use. He makes you pay a couple hundred to learn how to make your own. And I'm just trying to do it for free. and let people have access to it. So definitely hit that follow so you guys know when it's finally available. This is good for backtesting in general. Anyways, delete all the existing queries. Go to the data tab in Excel. Okay. Oh, I already did that. Okay. Okay, wait. Let me discard all that. Into the stock spreadsheet. We imported this via CSV file. Right, guys, we got this off the NASDAQ website. It has all NYSE, MX, and NASDAQ stocks. Anyways. Okay. Delete all existing. I already did that. Create the. Okay. Get data. Get data from other sources. Blank query. Then we're going to use the code that Copilot wants to give us, right? So. Let's see. Okay. Wow, see, I keep missing these chats. My chat stuff is not set up correctly. I just saw what you said, Dokifish, or Dokefish. It's not that I'm doing any sort of conditional formatting yet, at least. But see, that's what I'm saying. If you're still in the chat here, let me show you real quick. Discard. Yeah, let me discard that. Alright guys, so this is what we're trying to achieve. Yeah, I gotta fix how my my chat is set up. Give me 1 second. Because that's not okay. That's not alright. Y'all asking me questions I can't even answer you. What? So Doke from Fish says, Dokefish from Twitch says, some kind of conditional formatting. So it's not necessarily that we're going to do formatting within the code. We are going to set those values within our screener page, right? So as you can see here, and the text will not go black. I do not know why making it a header does not let it go black. I'll figure that out later. But that's besides the point. What I'm trying to say is, give me a second. What I'm trying to do is, I am trying to, oh yeah, it makes the headers white. It's gonna be black. I don't really care about that right now, though. That's not important. But if you can take a look here, right? We have, it's not doing it, man. We have market cap max, lowest price, max price, percentage change, max percent change, minimum pre-market volume, max outstanding shares. We're gonna add volume too. I don't know why I left that out, but I mean, first I'm trying to attain functionality, right? So based on the criteria we give it, and based on the time frame, this was gonna go back 10 years plus, right? We're going to get the hourly highs for each hour. I only put these filler ones like 5, 4, 2, 3, whatever, blah, blah. I only put that there just so you guys can see what we're trying to do. And the reason this is helpful is we can see, you know, the stocks we trade, like the criteria we like. We can see where the highs, where it tends to peak. So when is good for sells usually on average, when it's good to, you know, short or be bearish in general. And you know, the guy that I got this idea from, he's a trader that goes by Goes Hawk Trade, I think. You guys should definitely give him a follow. He's super good, super informative. However, he charges 300, I believe, a couple hundred to learn this and do it on your own. I'm a programmer, guys. I am a professional software developer. I'm not gonna pay 300 to learn how to do something on Excel. We have AI, right? We can figure it out on our own. And that's what I'm trying to do here. So in the example he pulled up, he gave it some penny stock criteria, and what it looked like was right here was always the peak. He put 10 years of data, and over here is where penny stocks would tend to peak. From there, they would slowly, you know, just go down. And it just goes to show why a lot of pro traders will short pennies in the morning, and that's that's their go-to, short pennies. It's easy, right? But it's easier when you actually see the data. So I'm going to make this available for you guys so you can use it in whatever variation, whether it be quarters to see how different stocks do in different quarters across a number of years. It'll be, yeah, I'll put it out. If anything, I might even make like a little website to like make it nice and pretty, so you display the graph and then it's just easy for you guys to use. Yeah, I might do that. That way, if down the line it just gets a lot of volume, I could maybe at least put in a little charge. But hey, if you get in now, you follow right now, I'll write your name, you got it lifelong free. So shout out you guys for watching.
If you're a web designer, here are 4
Anyways,
Wix Studio
going back to what I was
you
doing.
gotta know.
We were in the stock spreadsheet tab. I hope you're there, Quick
So first on the
Paz
list,
and Doki Fish,
section
in case
grid.
you guys didn't know what I was doing. But let's see. I was selecting this, and then I went to data. What was it doing? Data. Okay, it says go to the data tab, click on data, get data, blank query. Blank query. Oh yeah, get data from other source. Blank query. Right? In the Power Query window, click on Advanced Editor. In the Advanced Editor, replace any existing code with the following code and click Done. Okay. Hold on, let me do something. I don't want to miss you when you guys ask me a question. There has to be a way to set notifications off. Chat notifications, OBS. Okay, I'm not doing that. That's a lot of work. We're gonna ignore that for now. Anyways. Give me 1 second, guys. Okay, let's see. I apologize for the confusion earlier. Here's a corrected step-by-step guide. Delete all the existing queries, go to the Data tab in Excel, click on Queries and Connections, right-click on each query in the list, select Delete. We already did that. Go to the Data tab in Excel, blank query in the Power window, click on Advanced Editor. That's where we're at, Advanced Editor. In the Advanced Editor, replace any existing code with the following code and click Done. So we're gonna just highlight everything, paste, Done. Shout out Copilot. We're gonna look into what the actual code does when it works. I'm not gonna study broken code, guys. That's a waste of time. In the query settings pane on the right, rename the query to get intraday data. We'll do get intraday data. Click close and load. Still isn't, bro. Still isn't doing it. Whatever. Create the main query. Go to your stocks spreadsheet tab. Okay. Only create connection only. Okay, or it already did. Okay. Go to your stock spreadsheet tab. This should include, I did that. Go to data tab and click on from table range. Okay. There we go. Now it's looking more familiar. This is what we were doing last time. Okay. From table range. Power query, click on advanced editor. Advanced editor. And the advanced editor, replace any existing with the following code and click done. Paste. Done. Oh god. Yeah, I need a break, guys. This is this is sucky. This is really sucky. Unfortunately, this didn't work. This is what I got. Damn, that's deep. That is so deep. Will this work? Yes, do the good one. Do the... Wait, what? Just a new blank query? Alright. Alright, guys, Oops, I'm dumb. Alright, I'm taking a break. I'm taking a break, guys. This is ridiculous. I need to eat. It's what's the time? It's 6:24. I haven't eaten all day. That's doing something. All right, guys. I'm gonna be back. We're gonna get back to it. All right. See y'all in 30 minutes. If you guys want to join me again.
When your hotel room is your
definitely
bedroom,
happy to have you guys.
and your
Appreciate it.
living room,
Ask any
dining
questions.
room.
Shoot me a message. It's the same at. It's Kevin Kondori _ on X. I will answer any questions there. I don't have any followers, so I will get back to every single person. So I will see you guys soon. Talk in like 30. Better just eat.